In the last year, I have come to take a real liking to Yichun. Things are slower, no real traffic jams, not that tight or rigid. The buildings are newer, roads are clean, and the air is perfect. During the spring, summer, and fall, there are most beautiful clean water places just 30 minutes or so. That would make any photographer's dream job take place. The people are friendly, very patient, and have a lot of general interest towards foreigners. The town is not giant, but it does serve the needs well, and nothing is expensive here. It's quite the opposite, not the produce and meats are very cheap. Even rent and living expenses are the great price. I have grown very fond of Yichun and I intend to visit again.
Yichun is a small city. It is both traditional and modern. Among all the places I have been to, I think Yichun is one of the best. There are wonderful places to visit, not crowded and not polluted. I frequently go to lovely and clean parks, picturesque suburban districts, and numerous shopping areas. This place provides an environment where people feel safe and comfortable. The city is centered around a historic yet vibrant downtown that is built up densely with pleasing urban form. This city provides the convenience of chain retailers and eateries, but is not oversaturated. Yichun is a very peaceful and relaxing place for a family. I'm personally used to this place and I have become very comfortable with it. I have created extremely pleasant memories here, met friends, raised my kid, even first professional achievements are connected with it.
We came to Yichun 2 years ago, and I didn't expect that this place will become our hometown. For me as a videographer, Yichun is more than just a city. It's a place that inspires me to explore and create. It's a place where you can easily escape from the urban life. Yichun is famous of its Minyu Mountains, and for me even more beautiful and captivating Wukon Mountains, with truly stunning views on the top. I will be missing those sunrises. This place is magical. It combines beautiful nature and ancient history. Yichun is growing rapidly. New roads, bridges, buildings, everything is slowly changing to make it a better place to live and enjoy your life. I would say that Yichun is also a very green city. It's surrounded by mountains and there are a lot of beautiful parks where you can stay. For me, it's very important to have that balance with nature instead of just having only concrete skyscrapers all around. This is one of the main reasons why I choose Yichun as a place where I can live and work. And I will definitely miss it. Goodbye, Yichun. Hope to see you again.